Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday. Wanted to talk a little bit about APHA here. One of the names that run up pretty well last Friday. And we're going to take a look at APHA. This is one of the upgrades from Benzinga. Some analysts at Jefferies initiated a coverage on this company, and the ratings went to a buy rating. And this company also has news related with the CBD and Cannabis market today. So it's getting a little bit of momentum this morning. In the trading session, we had a video of this stock pre-market, which was something they had some news due to Jefferies creating or giving it an upgrade, and one of the top Benzinga's upgrades as well. There's news here on this company also about CBD related. There was a couple of CBD and medical marijuana and all those kind of things running last Friday. And just wanted to bring you a small clip, couple of snaps here that I took while this was actually in a trading session on Friday. Pretty good name, pretty good run up, and I wanted to bring you this so you can see how important it is to have a trade plan at the start of the day. Thank you.